Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a different video for you guys. I'm actually going to do lip swatches of the new Huda Beauty Demi-Matte collection. And there are 15 shades, I think. So let's just jump right in. So the first shade I'm going to try on is Game Changer. The applicator is a cute little doe foot. Ooh. I'm liking the texture. It feels a little bit minty. Feels really nice. My lips are going to be so dry and crusty when I'm done with this. So the next shade I'm going to try on is Revolutionaire. It's a pretty sort of mauve toned. Brown mauve, gray, purple. That's different. Okay, so the next shade is going to be so hard to get off, but I'm going to be using Boy Collector. Alright, fourth color, Mogul. Okay, next color is Shika. I don't know. Okay, so sixth color is Lady Boss. My lips are on fire. But that's okay. Seventh color is Feminist. Okay, so this color is Provocateur. I'm scared of this one because it's purpley. We'll see. Only 7 more to go. They come off really easily though. Yes. Like, look at that, it's off. Boom. Alright, this one. It's gonna be very hard to take off, but it's fine. I'm gonna try on Boss. B-A-W-S-E. Alright, next one is Catwalk Killer. This one's even more purple than the last. actually kind of like this one better than Provocateur. It's a little bit more purple, but like a good purple. Okay, 5 more. So this one is Day Slayer. Okay, so this next one is Bonnie. So next I'm gonna try on Shiro. Sounds like I might like it, let's see. Ooh, I already like it. Okay, so this one is like literally my number one. Everyone needs this color. Alright, second last one is Passionista. That's pink. That's really magenta. Ooh. So the last color I'm going to try on is CEO. And there you have it. That's all 15 shades of the new Huda Beauty Demi-Matte lipsticks. So all in all, these lipsticks are kind of amazing. I haven't worn them out for a long period of time, so I'll get back to you guys on like how they wear. But they don't dry matte, so you can expect them to come off over time. Like, you're gonna have to reapply, but like most lipsticks you do. So you know what? I'm digging these. The texture is amazing. They're not sticky. I can talk. They're not getting all over my teeth. Oh no, that's just my scar. It's fine. They even give my lips like a little cool plumpy feeling. You know when you get those plumpers and they tingle your lips and you're like, ooh, I love it. That's how I'm feeling right now. So I really like them. Honestly, all in all, they're definitely a yes for me. I know a lot of people are probably like, no, they suck. And a lot of people are like, oh, they're amazing. For me, I am a lip balm queen. So I always like to have lips on, whether it's lip balm or lipstick or whatever. This is definitely going to be like an everyday lip for me. Not this exact color, but like one of these. Probably Shiro. That's probably gonna be my everyday. We'll see. But anyway, if you guys are really like thinking about getting this or not getting it, I would say do it. Try one. And if you hate it, then I'm so sorry. I really like them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. Hopefully, I'll see you guys in my next one.